Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the My Aquarium Guide app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. My Aquarium Guide is an aquarium management app designed to help fish hobbyists care for their aquariums effectively. The app provides information on water parameters, fish species compatibility, feeding schedules, tank maintenance reminders, and disease prevention tips. Users can log water tests, track livestock, and receive alerts for routine care tasks. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its comprehensive guidance, easy-to-navigate interface, and helpful notifications. It allows aquarium owners to maintain healthy tanks, plan fish additions, and monitor water quality trends over time. Many hobbyists also like the detailed species profiles and care recommendations for both freshwater and marine aquariums. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features may require a subscription, and occasional syncing issues or incomplete species data have been reported. Its effectiveness also depends on consistent logging. Without regular updates, the tracking and alert system may be less useful. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the My Aquarium Guide app may be worth using if you're an aquarium hobbyist looking for a structured way to monitor and care for your tank. It shines in species guidance, water parameter tracking, and care reminders. However, if you prefer a fully free app or minimal logging, some features may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.